Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to make the toasty twist headband with worsted weight yarn. So this pattern is super easy. We're just going to make a long um, rectangle, and we're going to fold it together to form our twist headband. We're going to need worsted weight yarn. I use this just yarn that you can find in the dollar store. Then our yarn needle, our hook. This is an 8mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so let's get started. I forgot to mention that I originally designed this headband with a chunky yarn, and you can find that version in my blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. But this one is made with worsted weight. So let's get started. We're going to chain 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this is going to be the width. If you don't want it that long, you can chain less, or if you want it thicker, you can chain more. So it's up to you, but for mine I did 14. And we are going to extend single crochet on our second chain from hook. So this is our first, this is our second. So your hook, pull up loop, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through both of those loops on your hook. So let's do it again. Insert your hook. Okay, you should have 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, that's an extended single crochet. Okay, you guys, this is one of my favorite crochet stitches that I like to use a lot. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, let's keep going. Insert your hook, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through the other one. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 made already. Insert. So we're just gonna do that until we get to our last stitch over here. Okay, we got our 13 stitches. Okay, so we're gonna continue making rows. So we're gonna chain 1, turn, and our chain 1 does not count as a stitch. which means we are going to make our first stitch in this first stitch right here. Okay, so we chained one, we're gonna make an extended single crochet on that first stitch, and we're just gonna continue to do that all the way across. You guys, this pattern is super easy, great for beginners. All you gotta do is repeat the same pattern until your band measures a total of 19 inches, and that is for an adult size hat. It's an average adult. Okay, so make extended single crochets all the way till the end. Insert your hook, pull up. Okay, so this is our last stitch right here. Okay, and there we have 2 rows. We're going to chain 1, turn, and repeat the same as before. Like I told you guys, this headband is super easy. Super easy to make. Once you get that stitch learned, you will have this pretty much memorized. Okay, so just again continue to do that until the end of a row, and I'll see you back. Pause the video and I'll see you back when your piece measures 19 inches long. Okay, guys, so here I have my 19 inches. Okay, I'm trying to get it in the camera. Okay, I believe it was 42 rows. If you make your 42 rows and it still doesn't measure 19 inches, add an additional row. But for the most part, you should have 42 rows or until your piece measures 19 inches for an adult hat. Okay, so once you have this long piece, all we are going to do is grab this left side corner, okay, and that's gonna make, we're gonna make the twist on our headband. So grab this left side and all you are going to do is twist it like that. Okay, so it should look like this. Let's do it again. Grab the left corner, left bottom corner right here, and twist it up like that. Okay, here I'm trying to get that in there. So now to seam our headband, we're just going to, oops, okay, put our needle our yarn. Okay, and we're gonna grab this side and this side that you just twisted, and we're gonna put them together like that. Okay, so let's do it again. You have that side twisted, and this other side you're just gonna pull them, put them together. Make sure you have them aligned, and we're just going to whip stitch. I have mine this other side. Okay, we got our yarn and our needle, and we're gonna start whip stitching together. Okay, this is our tail that we're gonna weave in later. So you grab your needle and whip stitch. Make sure your both sides are aligned so you get a pretty even seam. So there's 2 stitches, and then you pull, and that should close the headband. So keep going, whip stitch all the way across. Let's see. Okay, here's my last stitch. Right? So this should look like that. And usually you have like a little gap right here. You can go to this stitch right here and then to this other one and just pull to close them. And on this other side we can do that too with this remaining strand. Okay, so we close that, and now we're just gonna turn it inside out. Okay, so this is the wrong side. Now we're gonna turn it to the other side, and we should have, I think it's this side, no, this. Okay, we should have this twist going on right here. So when you turn it inside out, originally it's going to look like this. You can make this little twist right here, so when you put it on, it's going to look like a twist. Okay, so yeah, if you have it to the other side, you can fix it. Okay, so just kind of play around with the twist. Again, when you originally turn it inside out, it's going to look like that, but you can pull this little flap like that, and it's going to create that twist. Okay, so now we're just gonna weave in our ends, and we are finished. Okay guys, here you have your twist, your toasty twist headband. Like I said, you can find this written pattern on my blog. I have the chunky version available, and I will write this down for the worsted weight version. And I think it's perfect for this time of year, for the winter time, because everybody needs a headband during the winter time, right? And by the time I upload this video, I think we can still have a little time left to whip some of this up and give them for Christmas. Hopefully you'll have this done in no time. I use one of this for the headband, and I still had a little bit left over, and that was for my adult size hat. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.